Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We got another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. Link will be down below. Get one of these at a low cost. Take advantage of the fast free shipping. And you'll get one of these in no time. Hopefully everyone had a good day. Everybody is safe. We made it, guys. New months ahead of us. We got the holiday weekend. And oh, take a look at this. There we go. Something different. Now this would be a nice gift to give to Father's Day. Housewarming gift. Christmas gift. Bar mitzvahs, graduations. Talk about nostalgia. Little throwback era. Remember these things. Suitcase, Turntable, Udreamer. Tech support. Yeah, I gotta go through my records. Oh boy. Throwback Tuesday. And then here's the back of it. Udreamer. On the go, bring music to life. Whoa. Take us on the subway. Jam out to some Fat Boys. Oh yeah. Those are my favorite back in the day. Fat Boys and everybody else. There we go. Oh, this is kind of classy. Fancy dancy. Alright. Got the power cord. Yeah, one of those portable brick chargers. You can always bring that. Put this in outside. That's in the picture. Udreamer. Alright. Look at this nice case. I know certain records will definitely have copyright, so I gotta see what I have. I think all of it will be copyrighted, so gotta be careful on what music you play on this YouTube. But on my Instagram, I'll definitely be having the music. Let's take a look. Looks like a briefcase. Nice patent leather. Speakers on the side. That's cool. Nice flush mount. Got these. Got the old school red and white USB power. Oops, that's on backwards. There you go. For your Bluetooth or an external speaker, USB, iPod, or so on. Gotta love technology these days. Alright, we'll take this out because we're gonna need it for show. Throwback. Feel a little lordy. Yeah, like I said, pretty much all my music would have copyright, so it's gonna be hard to test.
I don't have an answer for that.
Hey, stop. Alexa, cancel. Sorry about that. But let's see what we get here. 2 seconds. Here we go. Pretty long cord. Bam. Put that in. All right. Ooh. All right, there we go. Bluetooth. Volume on. Pretty much the old days is lift. See? Oh. Put that back. Locking in. I'm gonna have to get a record ready. Was not expecting this today, so look at that though. Okay, it's like the old school day DJ. Here we go. Alright guys, hopefully I don't get copyrighted, but we got old school 45s going. And then you could switch it right here. So there you have it, guys. Works amazing. Sounds great, just like the old days. Talk about nostalgia. Alright, that's enough of that song. I don't know what that was. Remember when you were a kid? I wish I did. Alright, guys, YouTubers, be safe. Have a good night. Check them out. Udreamer. Link is going to be down below. Have a good night.